Now, the company financial statement of that's page 2, second page now. Okay, second page. This is specimen. This is how we draw it. Okay, this is how you compute it. This is how you write it. Second page. Now, on heading, you write boldly, Mr. A.B., the chartered accountant, on top. Then you write your address alongside and your phone numbers. Okay, you write your phone by the right side. Write your phone number by the right side. Then under it, you write partner, your own partner, the partner of that chartered accountant, the principal partner, the name of the person, and the title. Then you roll it. Okay, I'm just trying to give it special. You cannot do it alone. You need an accountant to draw that for you. Okay, so that's why I need your services. I do it. I run a consultancy services for now because I don't want to work at my age. I don't want to work for anybody. But I have a company that I'm running, so I need a contract, and I equally use that once in a while. So I may not like to work full time for anybody for now. Thank you very much. Now this is the after the heading. What you know is a report of the auditors. Now, to the members of A and B Builders and Contractors Nigeria Limited. After that, then you write report of the auditors to the members of the A and B Builders and Contractors Nigeria Limited. You rule it. Okay. Now let's read on. Then first paragraph. We have audited the balance sheet of the A and B Builders and Contractors Nigeria Limited, the company, as at 31st May 2025. Okay, and the related profit and loss account for the year then ended, prepared under the historical cost convention and on the bias of the accounting policies set out in the account. That's the first paragraph. The second paragraph, the respective responsibilities of directors and auditors. That's the heading. The directors are responsible for the preparation of the financial statements. It is our responsibility to form an intervention or independent opinion based on our audit on the financial statement and to report our opinion to you. That's the second paragraph. I'm doing this for accounting students who want to help other people too. Now, this is the second paragraph. The third paragraph. Our audit was performed in accordance with generally accepted auditing standards and accordingly included such tests of the accounting records and such other building procedures as we consider necessary in the circumstances. This is the third paragraph. The first paragraph of the second page. Okay? Of the second page. Now, the fourth paragraph, the financial statements were prepared from the company's book of accounts, which in our opinion have been properly kept, and we obtain all the information and explanation which we consider necessary for the purpose of our audit. That's the fourth paragraph. The fifth paragraph, to the best of our knowledge and belief, and based on the representations received and on our examinations of the books of accounts, no contravention of the guidelines of the productivity, prices, and income boards during the year entered at the 1st May 2025 came to our notice, and the companies complied with the provisions of the Companies and Allied Matters Act 1980. Of course, tax regime. Nigerian tax regime is subject to review, so you must know that. Now, the fifth, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the fifth paragraph, the last one. In our opinion, the financial statements referred to above give a true and fair view of the state of affairs of the company as at 31st May 2025 of these profits and charges in the financial opinion for the year then ended. End. That's the end. That's the second page. Then you write A and B, Mr. A, B, Chartered Accountant. Then you sign it. Okay? That is, please, I want you to give me job, of a consultancy job. Let me draw your 3 years financial statement of your company for you. If you want me to defend it, I will defend it. Follow you to the tax office and defend it. This is the number you call 080-3758-1115. or 08055666041. Again, 08037581115 or 08055666041. Okay, that's 666-041. And thank you very much. You're welcome for that. All right. Okay, thank you.